survive COVID, no vaccine. Donna Nyapil, I'm coming alive. I'm full of ambition. I came out the hood. I'm looking for change out of the cage. All of these niggas are goats. Civilian in boozy. Kill all the goats. I'm fucking.
Hello guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Noli So today we're gonna be speaking about the BTMM levels, right? So let's go into the video. Okay guys, so we're gonna start with the Asian session, right? We're gonna start counting from the Asian session, right? And the reason why we are gonna start from here is because we want the peak formation starting from the 800 EMA, right? So we want to start counting from the 800 EMA because that's usually where we get our resets, right? To create a new level. So even in the lower time frames, like when you see the 800, you know that they usually bounce on the 800 to give us setups, right? Gold bounce on the 800 EMA to give us setups. So to reset the market so that we begin a new cycle, right? So as you can even see here, they bounced on the 800 EMA, right? A nice clean W pattern, and then they pushed it up, right? I'm sure we can count 3 levels in there, but yeah. So today we are here on on the daily structure, so that's where we're gonna be counting our levels, right? So yeah, we're going to start with our Asian session, as I said. So this is our Asian session box, all right? And then they pushed up to induce, right? And then we started our vector pushes, right? These are not levels, these are vector pushes, right? So we have our first push, all right? And then we got our second push. And then we got our third push, all right, giving us this peak formation low. All right, so this is our peak formation low. Peak formation low. And then we started pushing, right? So here, this is the first push, right? And notice something here, right? This is it's the same thing as this, right? So this and this are almost something similar. I'm gonna explain it further, but for now, okay, let me explain it first before I go into the levels, before I continue with the levels, right? So look at how they broke this, right? So they pushed, they got here, they came back down, and then they broke it, right, and went above. So the same thing happening here, right? The market pushed from here, from this level from here, from the beginning of level 3 all the way here, right? And then it came down and then pushed up, right? And as this pushed up, it came back into what some sort of consolidation to reset and start the new level of level 2, right? So this is a break out of this level 3, meaning we are maybe they are trapping high, but we know level 3 is volatile and we might be trading both ways, right? So they might come down, go up, come down, go up, come down, might be into a consolidation because it's level 3. We trade both ways, right? So yeah, let's move that and then continue with the levels. All right. So then we got our first level, level 1, coming out of the peak formation low. This is our level 1. All right, and then we got our level 2, starting from here, going all the way up here. This was our level 2. Two. All right, and then we got our last push from here, right? And this is our level 3. And so level 3. All right, so now our levels have been completed, right? But as you can see, we got a pullback coming down, right? And then we got another pullback here, some sort of small nyana pullback, but it was almost like consolidation making this W, right? All right, so yeah, now this is our structure, that is our 3 levels, the BTMM levels. So it's W, and then it's V, W, this is V, 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 and then we're gonna get our M at the top. Then we're gonna get our M here, change this to M. Yeah, perfect. And then we need our W right here. I'm gonna move this peak formation so that you see. You wanna move this, yeah, just a little bit that way, so we can see the WVVM, and that's where you wanna set. So let me, what the heck, I wanna hold this. W peak formation low. Hey, why are you dropping down? Yeah, W peak formation low, and then this is a peak, this is a peak, we can say, because we can counter trend, right? During this pushes, even here you could have counter trend. If you took a sell here, you take it out there at the 800 EMA. But yeah, so this is what we are looking for, right? This is our BTMM cycle, right? The Asian box, the 3 pushes, the W on the 800 EMA, giving us the start of new levels. So and then we count level 1, level 2, level 3. Right now we are in level 3, so we are looking into consolidating. And as you see, we have 3 hits to the high. This is a very important level, right? This is a very important level for us to watch, right? Because they hit it, came back, hit it. They're hitting it 3 times, right? So they hit it 3 times. So we'll see if gold decides to reverse and they close below the 13, we can take the trade. But yeah, even on the H1, we can clearly see that they are touching this, right? These almost, they gave us railroad tracks here, dropped, came back, right? And now you can even see like we are trading in a range. All right, some will call this their support and resistant traders. I'm sure they are happy where they are now. All right, I'm just making it in line. See, so now we in this range, right? We know this is support because they touched it, they break above the support, making it, no, this was a resistant, right? A resistant, dropped, resist again, then break, and then it became support. So now they went here, made this resistant, came back, tested this, came back, tested the support again, came back for the resistance, came back for support, came back for resistance, coming back for support, right? So we are expecting something like this. We take the trade. Once we close below the 13, we take the trade all the way down here to the 200 EMA. That's what we're aiming for. We aim for the 200 EMA. Right, but for the support and resistance traders, they'll probably take it at this low or that low. Right. That low for TP or this low. Right. So maybe TP1 and then TP2 here. Right. Even though they're close to each other, or you can make this TP2 this price range here. Right, yeah, because this is in the middle. It makes more sense to be TP1 and then TP2. All right. So yeah, guys. Anyway, this is about levels. So this is how we count levels in 2025. So I hope this helped you see much better with the levels and where we are on gold. That's how I see it. That's my opinion. Anyway, this is not for it's only for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. But anyway, guys, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you like this type of content that I'm bringing, you can give the boy a sub, guys. So for me, I'll see you in the next video.